Climb inside the 2009 Scion TC. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Come down to our dealership. You'll get a great vehicle at a great price.